rowing boats. Ruff, Chip, and Clyde were going out on the river. Floppy went to race boats. "We will take those rowing boats," said Dad. "Good choice," said Joey. "There goes Floppy." They put the picnic drinks into the boats and got in. "Don't forget the coals," said Ruff. "It could get cold." "Can I row?" asked Chip. "Yes, I will throw you." "You have a go, Clyde," said Dad, with both hands. "Let's stop here for a picnic," called Chip. "But not by the stones," said Dad. "We can all row the boats," said Chip. "Hand me the coals," said Craig. "Good boys." "These front takes very good," said Craig. "Home," said Dad. "Don't be so annoying, Floppy," said Ruff. "He wants his bone," said Chip. Suddenly there was a loud noise. "What was that?" asked Ruff. "I can hear voices," said Chip. "Look, it's Roy and Joey." The boys were trying to throw a rope over a big stone. Just then, Joe fell into the river, and the rope fell into. "Oh no," said Roy. "Get hold of the rope." "Too late," said Joe. The boat was floating away. Roy tried to catch the boat, but he fell in too. Suddenly, Floppy jumped into the river. "He wants to join in and help," said Chip. "Looks like Floppy is going for the rope." Floppy got the rope in his teeth. "Good boy, Floppy," called Chip. "That's made the boat safe." Floppy had a good soaking. He shook himself all over the boys. "Go away, Floppy." Roy and Joey swam back to their boats. "Oh no, we lost one." "Can you give us a tow?" asked Roy. "We can row back. Yes." "Did you enjoy the trip?" asked Joey. "Yes, very much," said Ruff, "but we got soaked." The end.